Your Genesis in-car navigation system comes powered by Google Places. Google Places helps provide a deeper database of information about points of interest, or POIs, including business hours, images, accessibility, and more. There is no registration or setup required through Google, although an active Genesis Connected Services account is required. To register for Genesis Connected Services, visit owners.genesis.com. To learn more about nearby points of interest, access your in-car navigation system by pressing the Map button. Select a point of interest on the map and then scroll down to see detailed information, all powered by Google Places. This information may include contact information, rating, business hours, photos, pricing info, service options, and accessibility. You can also press the Nav button, select nearby POIs, choose your POI category, select an entry, and then view its Google Places data. If you'd like to route to this POI, press the Route button. The in-car navigation system will then take over and provide real-time, turn-by-turn guidance. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.